Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I hope by the grace of Almighty Allah, all of you are fine. Dear student, I am Mohammad Shahjahan, Assistant Professor, Department of Accounting, Milestone College. Dear student, this is our lecture 2 on chapter 7. And all of you know that our chapter 7 is leisure. Dear student, after this lecture, you can able to know about posting and balancing. You can able to prepare ledger in T format. You can able to prepare ledger in moving balance format. You can analyze the significance of debit and credit balance of ledger. Dear student, let's come to our class. Posting and balancing. Posting is the act of moving debit and credit account balance from individual journal to their corresponding ledgers. These ledgers are later used to create a trial balance, used to generate the income statement, balance sheet and other financial statement. That means, dear student, posting means transfer from journal to ledger. That means in journal we analyze the transaction into debit and credit, and from that we transfer to different accounts into ledger. This is called posting. Now balancing. Balancing of an account is to total both debit and credit side of an account and putting the difference on that side which is shorter. All ledger accounts are usually closed and balanced at the end of an accounting period. Dear student, balancing is difference of debit and credit. That means in ledger you know two side, one side is debit, another side is credit, and the difference of debit and credit is called balancing, and balancing is putting on the shorter side. That means if debit side is less than credit side, then we will write the balance in the debit side. I hope you understand. Now preparation of ledger in T format. Posting. That means how we will post it in T format ledger. Dear student, I have written here on example good purchase for cash. This is a transaction, good purchase for cash. The journal entry is purchase account debit, cash account credit. That means in this transaction there are two accounts are related. One is purchase account, another is cash account. For ledger we have to open purchase account and cash account. That means one ledger for purchase account, another ledger for cash account. Now how we can post it? Look at here. When I open purchase account, I open purchase account. That means purchase is debit. So in the debit side, look at this ledger, debit side and credit side. Last class we have discussed the format of ledger. So debit side and credit side. So which side I will record? Because I am opening purchase account, so I have to record in the debit side of purchase account. This is the formula of posting ledger. If in the journal it is in the debit side, then I have to record in debit side, and if in the journal it is in the credit side, then I have to record it credit side. So I am opening purchase account. In purchase account is debit side, so I have to record debit side. And what is the name we will record? The opposite name. Dear student, two formula I am telling you. Number one, if the concerned account is debit, then I have to record debit side. If the concerned account is credit, then I have to record credit side. So purchase account is in the debit in the journal, so I will record in the debit side. The opposite account, cash account, amount is 5,000. And when I open cash account, then I have to write cash is in the credit, so according to formula I have to record credit side, and the opposite account is purchase. This is called posting. Dear student, I hope you understand. Now balancing. Dear student, purchase account. Look at purchase account. In the debit side I have record cash account 5,000. So on opposite side there is no amount. So I have told you balancing means difference of debit and credit. So debit side it is 5,000, credit side 0. So balance is 5,000, and I have to write shorter side the balance according to the definition. That means again I am telling dear student, here cash account debit side 5,000 and the credit side no balance. So difference is balance. So 5,000 minus 0 it is 5,000. So balance CD I have to record in shorter side. So cash account 5,000, total 5,000, balance sheet 5,000, 5,000. So this is balanced now. And next month, in the month of February 1, we have to write opening balance, it is 5,000. That means last year what is the balance CD? I have to write it opposite side as balance BD. Dear student, now preparation of ledger, moving balance format. Preparation of ledger in moving balance format. Here I am taking two examples. Started business with cash, cash debit, capital credit. This is the journal. Again, purchase goods in cash. Journal is purchase debit, cash credit. So now how I can open moving balance format? At first look at the format. Date, particular, JF, debit amount, credit amount, and balance, debit balance, credit balance. Dear student, this is little difference from the earlier one. In modern method, in T format, there are two side. Here not two side, but here also debit and credit. Formula is same for posting. Cash account debit, I have opened cash account. So opposite account name I have to write. Opposite account is capital account. That's why I have written the name of capital account. And look at second transaction, cash account is in the credit, then I have to write the opposite account purchase. So capital account is opposite account, that's why I have written here, and here purchase account is opposite to cash account, that's why I have written here. That means first column I have to write date, then second column particular, the opposite account of headline account. Headline account is here cash account, so opposite account capital and purchase. Then now which side I will record? Cash account debit, so I have to record debit side because it is cash account. So cash debit, debit, cash credit, credit. I think you understand. Now balancing. Capital, debit balance, in credit 0, so difference of debit and credit 50,000. I have write debit side. Then now we have debit balance 50,000 and purchase credit. So debit and credit difference is 30,000. I have to write debit side. Why I am writing debit side? Because debit side is greater than the credit side. Credit side is 20,000, debit side is 50,000. So difference is 30,000. Then I have to write debit side. I think all of you understand. Dear student, types of ledger. There are two types of ledger, general ledger and subsidiary ledger. General ledger means principal set of accounts where all the financial transactions are recorded, and subsidiary ledger is an intermediary set of account that is optional. Now classification of account. Dear student, significance of debit and credit balance. That means debit and credit balance indicate asset account always shows debit balance, liability account credit balance, equity account credit balance, revenue credit balance, expense debit balance. That means asset and expense shows debit balance, liability, equity and revenue shows credit balance. Dear student, this is your homework, creative one from your books. Thank you. I hope all of you will stay at home, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum. কি রেকর্ড হয়নি? ওটা কই? কি জানি কত আগে এটা বন্ধ হয়েছে কখন? ওটা মনে হয় আমি ইয়ে করতে যাই ক্লোজ করে দিছি। শিট,
আবার ভালো লাগবে। এই যে হইছে না, দেখো তো
এখানে তো দেখাচ্ছে হয়েছে। তাহলে মনে হয় শেষ হওয়ার আগে বলতে তুমি আমার টাইম বলবা না?
এখানে তো সময় এখনো আছে 50 পর্যন্ত না, 10 মিনিট।
হ্যাঁ,
কিন্তু 8 শেষ করছে, আর 2 মিনিট ছিল।
নাফিসা ফ্যান্স আর কতক্ষণ?